YouTube, what's up guys? So wanted to make a quick video on a sneak peek of a surprise that I have. It's kind of dark, hold on. Alright, I don't want those shoes. These ones. Alright, so tomorrow we'll have a very nice video, and it will obviously be this thing right here. And let me give you a sneak peek of what it's going to be. And then I'm also going to do a review on this product that I'm going to sneak peek to you guys. Let's see. Whoop! So, I got to wash the car. There's an event going on tomorrow that I'm going to go to. Actually, whatever, let me take it out. So, I'm going to the track tomorrow. But I'm not going on the track, not the actual car track. I'm just going to take the car on the drag strip for the very first time. And so I've never done it before. And yeah, we'll document how it goes. And that's really about it for the sneak peek. But a sneak peek till the next couple of videos. And yeah, so anyways, got this helmet yesterday. And hold on, let me set you guys down. Oh crap. The leg on this tripod just fell off. So here's the unraveling of this. So the event that I'm going to tomorrow requires you to wear a Snell approved 2015 helmet. So one of my good friends, Mosin, shout out to you, big shout out to you for coming through in the clutch. He works for Towsley Motorsports, so go check them out. That's where I got this helmet from. It is a Scorpion EXO R410. So I'll do a review on this one. It's a very inexpensive helmet compared to some of the other ones that I saw, like $400 or $500 they were going for. This one I got for about $100. So that's not bad. It's better than ordering on Amazon, and Amazon messing up my order, even with Prime. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous for tomorrow, but also excited. I really want to see what this runs on the quarter mile. Before I take it to the actual track, I definitely want to do some, some track school before I do anything like that. So that's on the back burner for now. This kind of came up last minute. Talked to the wife. She was down to go, so we're gonna make it happen. Weather should be good. Right now in Minnesota, it's a little, I don't know, it's cloudy. And there's a chance for rain tomorrow, but I hope it doesn't rain, because then I'll kind of be bummed. Hope the conditions are good, because I really want to see what the GTR runs in the quarter mile. And like I told you guys, this is kind of my journey, taking, just kind of exploring motorsports with the GTR. And yeah, so I'm gonna get it washed and get it prepared for tomorrow, and we'll go from there. And then yeah, I'll record a video and kind of reviewing that helmet. So I'm gonna start a new playlist, kind of reviewing products. And so I'll review that one since it's brand new, and we'll go from there. And then I'll start over time. I'm a really busy guy, so with work and stuff like that, it's hard to kind of fit in a lot of these videos, but hey, we'll do what we can. I'll go through piece for piece, kind of reviewing each of the different mods that are on the GTR, so that you guys know, and on this journey you guys can see whatever breaks, what doesn't, what you guys like and stuff like that. So yeah, let me pull out the car. I'm gonna wash it quick, and we'll go from there. Peace. So really quick, just to kind of explain how I do my washes. This is not a normal wash. I usually have a pressure washer with my foam cannon, as you can see right there, and a ton of chemicals that, one of these days I'll kind of go through every time I use it and make a quick video about it. But because I don't have the pressure washer, not gonna use the foam cannon. Gonna do it old school way. And yeah, so I got 2 bucket method. I'll have one for my wash, one for emptying out the mitt, all my tools. So I'll rinse it. I will start on the wheels, and then I will do some Iron X remover for contaminants and stuff like that, because this car kicks out exhaust everywhere, brake dust everywhere, so that's super important. And then I'll do just a general cleaner from Chemical Guys called, what is it called? Nonsense. Really good, just all-purpose general cleaner, pH neutral, so you don't have to worry about damaging your paint or anything like that. Anyways, so yeah, gonna rinse it off really quick, do the wheels, and then I will start on the body. So, and then I gotta clean this lens, it's kind of dirty. On the wheels I use are basically just your tire brush, a little skinnier brush to get inside the crevices and stuff, and then your wheelbarrow scrubby brush or whatever it's called. So I'll go through and show you guys how I do the wheels. After you see I applied the Sonex wheel cleaner, it turns purple when you see all that brake dust. So that's a good indicator that's ready to come off. And then I also do some basic an alkaline kind of spray on the tires so that there's excess tire shine that'll come off, so I can actually clean the tires when I do it too. Alright, enjoy. To see how important the Iron X stuff works, the decontamination. Even after I clean the wheels, look how much purple stuff there still is after I rubbed it in. It's crazy.